Hello, my name is Mohammed Wais. I'm from Pakistan, and my final project is a 3D crafting game developed in Python using Panda 3D Game Engine. You can start the game through the terminal with Python project.py command, but it takes a little time to load all the assets into the game. So I'll just switch to the running game here, and the game we have a first person camera view, and the core mechanic is to build or craft whatever you want using around 200 different asset items. The player can walk and jump, change direction based on mouse movements. You can press shift to increase the speed of movement. Um, and you have an inventory available through which you can access multiple copies of the same or unique items and place them into the scene. So if you press I, you can open the inventory this way. Pressing I again will close the inventory. When you open the inventory, you can select any of these items from the dialog box, and the dialog box will close automatically, and the item you selected will appear in front of the player. You can select and unselect using escape. For selecting an item, just point the crosshair on the item you want to select and press left mouse click. You can for a selected item, you can change the position of the item along all three axes, and the rotation as well along these three axes. Um, the item won't uh, move past the floor, so there's a limit for movement along negative z-axis. Um, can if you want to, if you have multiple items in your scene, for example, if you have two walls, you can attach these two walls at their faces without manually specifying their position and rotations by just telling which faces you want to join these items at. For example, you say left and right, it will join these walls on left and right faces. If you want this wall to move on top of the other, select top and bottom. You can arrange your items on top of one another without the pain of specifying the positions for each one of them manually. Um, Here I have arranged a few of the assets randomly from the asset package I have in my assets folder. Uh, these and lots of other assets can be used in different combinations to craft houses and buildings or whatever creative idea you have in your mind. So, so this was my project, and this was CS50. Thank you.